In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the taskbar not hiding when you're in full screen mode on Windows 10. So this is a problem when you, for example, play a game and the taskbar is still here at the bottom, or when you watch a YouTube video in full screen and the taskbar is just still there. And I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to right click on your taskbar right here, then click on Task Manager. This will pop up and you want to click on more details, and then you will end up right here and you have all these different settings and stuff like that of your tasks that are currently running. And you basically just want to scroll all the way down to see Windows Explorer. And if you just click on it, and then right here it says restart, and you basically just want to click on restart. And as you can see, it sort of like changes, it sort of like refreshes your PC, and you can just close this out and now it should be fixed. I can't really show you guys that it is fixed because I didn't have the problem in the first place, but this should work. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.